Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahma. Artinya, ya Allah, tambahkanlah aku ilmu dan berikanlah aku rizki akan kepahaman.
Praise God from whom all blessings flow. Praise Him, all creatures here below. Praise Him above the heavenly host. Praise Father, Son, and Holy Ghost.
Thank you. We come to the third one, opening remarks of education and culture attaché to Dr. Lili Nurlaili. Ibu Lili Nurlaili, time's yours.
Thank you, Ibu Aulia. Thanks all of the participants today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Selamat pagi semuanya. I'm very happy today because this is not only Indonesian language but included the culture. This is the first time we are making the culture and then we are using online. And then I hope this activity today is very successful. I just want to mention like this. From the first time I'm coming here, 2017, I'm already have Indonesian language. And then all of the teacher, just only one teacher is in here, but he is cannot teaching, dancing, and everything. 2018, one of the teacher from Bandung, she is Ibu Neneng, and then she is teaching practice dancing, not only for the Indonesian language participant, but for the all home staff children, I mean. And then that is very successful. I mean, we are make it the presentation in the Indonesian Embassy, that is from PWU, Philippine Women University, and then from the home staff children. And then after that, all of the Indonesian language teacher, they cannot teaching dancing again, just only Indonesian language. But today, right now, I have interesting, I have excited because the teacher is, they are interesting with the culture. And then that is part of the Indonesian language. And I'm already give information to Pusat Bahasa Indonesian institution in Jakarta, and then they all very happy because this is the new one activity. All of the Indonesian language for the foreign language is not using like this, and then he is Sandrigat. Professor Amin, the new one of the head of Indonesian language institution in Jakarta, he is talking to me. This is the good activity, and then Indonesian language not only teaching and learning language, but included of culture. And this information they are sharing not only around Philippines, they are sharing to all of the Indonesian language around the world, all of the attaché education around the world. To make they are clear, Indonesian language course not only language, but included culture too. And I hope today the activity is success. Thank you for the idea, Ibu Opi, and thanks to Ibu Aulia and Pak Fandi. And I hope this activity more energizer, a lot of activity like this, because we not only Indonesian language course, included culture. Okay, thanks a lot. Terima kasih banyak. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Terima kasih, selamat menyaksikan.
Terima kasih Ibu Lili. Ya, the next is singing national anthem from Indonesia and the Philippines. Ibu Opi, dipersilakan.
Noon pa man, malaki na ang naging bahagi ng mga kababaihan sa lipunang Pilipino. Kaisa sila sa marubdob na paghahangad ng kalayaan ng ating lahi. Kabilang sila sa paglinang ng ating makulay na sining at mayamang kultura. Kasapi sila sa pagtataguyod ng mga adhikain ng kapwa mamamayan at sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng lipunan. Katuwang sila sa pagtuklas sa mga larangan ng agham at medisina. Kapanalig sila sa pagpapairal ng batas, karapatan at katarungan para sa lahat. Kabahagi sila sa paglilingkod sa bayan at sa pagpapanatili ng demokrasyang Pilipino. Sa paglipas ng panahon, hindi nagmaliw ang kanilang pag-ibig sa ating inang bayan. Mga kababayan, ito ang alay ng mga kababaihang Pilipino para sa bayan. Tumayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Ayang pag-ibig, sa silangan, hanap ng puso, sa libing mo'y buhay. Luhang hirap, tulad ng pag-ibig, sa pagdulog, di ka masisingil. Sa nagtatulog, sa sigat at sa langit mong babang, maginagang tula at awit sa pagdayang minamahal. Ang isa ng patawad mo'y tagumpay na nagliligid.
Thank you, everyone. We come to the next session. This is Grebek Sebrang presentation with Miss Tiffany and Miss Opi. Okay, Miss Opi as the moderator will lead this session. Silakan Ibu Opi.
Okay, thank you so much for the chance, Ibu Aulia. Selamat pagi, the audiences. Magandang umaga. Oke, teman-teman, selamat datang di kelas budaya, the cultural class. Ini tari Grebek Sabrang. This is one of traditional dances from East Java province. Specifically, this is from my city, Malang City. Okay, my name is Arafiatus Sa'diah. You can call me Opi. For today, I will not deliver the lesson, but my friends from Sanggar Tari Sriwadari, Miss Olin, will present about Grebek Sabrang dance, one of traditional dance from Malang. Okay, I will be serving as moderator in this cultural class. So in this cultural class, there are 3 sections. One is presentation, and then the next one, demonstration of the dance. We will dance together, right? We are not just listening, but we will move together, 1 or 2 movement with Miss Olin. And the last one, we will watch the live performance from Sanggar Tari Sriwadari. The dance is Grebek Sabrang dance from Malang. Okay, before the presentation, allow me to introduce the presenter, Miss Teresia Olivia Carolina Angga Setiorini. Long name, yeah. But you can call her Miss Olin. Okay, Miss Olin. And another one, we have Miss Tiffany. Miss Olin will present the presentation and Miss Tiffany will perform the dance. Okay, Miss Olin, she was born in Malang, 22nd September 1986, and she was graduated from Agro-Industrial Technology from Brawijaya University, one of the best state university in Malang. She has joined many traditional dances competitions. She has a very high awareness of preserving the nation's culture through traditional dance. And now she is the owner of traditional dance studio called Sriwadari in Malang. Aside of that, she is also the owner of culinary Mintu Rendang. You know, right? Rendang. Yeah, this is really our traditional culinary from Indonesia, from beef. How delicious rendang, right? Okay, now moving to our session, I will allow Miss Olin to present your presentation about Grebek Sabrang dance. Time is yours.
Hello everyone. Can you listen my voice clearly already?
Sedikit menggema, Miss.
There is
Okay, I will
echo.
repeat.
Echo.
Okay.
Ada
Ya.
echo.
Echo,
Okay, I
menggema.
will repeat. Hello everyone. Already clear?
Ya,
Okay, thank you. The first one, I will say thank you to Miss Ovi and also to Atase for the new experience for us, for the time. It's really a nice and great experience for us to sharing about our culture, especially originated from Malang, East Java. Okay, I will share a simple presentation first. Is it already sent?
Mbak,
Okay, maybe it's take time. Okay, I will today we will share one of our dance originated from Malang, East Java, our hometown, Miss Ovi hometown also. The Grebek Sabrang is a kind of mass dance. Actually, we have many kinds of mass from Malang, and one of kind of mass dance is Grebek Sabrang. Okay. Shoulders. Okay, is the process right? Wait. Okay, so in Malang we have full performance like that, full performance of mass dance. In one performance, it will take several hours because it's divided into at least seven part like that. The first one, we call it opening part. Usually, this part, the performer will play only music instrument. We call it karawitan. The function or why they play the music instrument at the beginning of the show or the performance, this music played to inform all the audience that, come on, let's join, the performance will start. So they will play it first before the dance performance start. After the opening, they will perform for the first one, Beskalan dance. In this part, they will tell us about the synopsis of all the story during the performance. Usually, Beskalan dance performed by female or women's dancer. After the second part, we come into the third part. We call it jejer sepisan. Sepisan actually is Javanese language. In Indonesia, we can say it pertama. So in English, the first. So jejer sepisan is the first. Usually we dance tari grebek Jawa. Same grebek but different. Grebek Jawa. In this part, they tell about the protagonist character. The protagonist character. They explain about Panji, King Panji, and the whole family. They will show about the soldier also from the protagonist part of the whole story. Then we come into the fourth part. It's called Jejer Kapindo. Sorry, Jejer Kapindo. It's a Javanese language also. In Indonesia, we can say it kedua or dua. In English, we say the second. This part tell story about the antagonistic character. The dance perform named the Tari Grebek Sabrang. The dance we will learn about today, and we will watch the full performance also today. After the fourth part, after the high temper of the story, then we will come to the lower emotion. They will show the comedy part. So the fifth one is the comedy part. After that, then we will go to climax. There is a war, the last war before closing. So Tari Grebek Sabrang that we will sharing about today is part of a long performance of mass dance performance from Malang. So it's only a part. So actually, the mass performance is a long performance divided into 7 parts, and the Grebek Sabrang is the fourth one. Okay, then we will talk about the Grebek Sabrang especially. Okay, Grebek Sabrang. We found the word Sabrang. Sabrang is Javanese language also. It means in Indonesia menyeberang, or in English across. So it will tell us that it about across the country, the sea, tell about soldier from far away kingdom that will come to Javanese kingdom. And the character that's shown and the part named Klana Sowandana. What is different the Grebek Jawa and Grebek Sabrang? It's on the character. The Grebek Jawa tell us about the protagonist, but the Grebek Sabrang is negative one. In they will show different custom also from the mask that they will use. The wardrobe, the color is different to show that it's different character like that. And in this dance, Grebek Sabrang also show to us there is a soldier that very brave. We found a little difficult words. Maybe Miss Ovi can help us also. We found it brangasan in Javanese. Maybe in Indonesia we say bengis. What, Miss Ovi, can we call it violent like that? The brangasan?
Like
In English?
I think antagonist, like the expression of cruel person.
Yeah, like that. So they come with very bad person, very brave, and also very strong. And usually it's shown tokoh antagonis, I write down, digambarkan, they show by the big eyes, I have a mask near of me. Maybe everyone can see it. The color is red. The big eyes. The shape of the nose. You can see. And lips also there is big teeth and bird. But not every person with bird is cruel, yeah, Miss Ovi. It's the character from the dance. They show by the color and part of the body or the face like that. And then we will talk about the wardrobe. I will ask someone to show it. Miss Fanny, maybe you can bring all your wardrobe and accessory. Admin maybe can Miss Tiffany at account of Sri Wedari too, I think, will show you the wardrobe, the accessory to you. Please wait a moment. She's still preparing. Okay, I will show you the wardrobe and the accessory. Let's go, Miss Fanny. Okay, Miss Tiffany, she will show at Tiffany, right? Okay. Okay. Yes, please, at Tiffany. Okay, maybe some of you ask why Miss Olin only explain and do the presentation, why Tiffany will perform? Because same like music, dance also. In Indonesia, we have a lot of many kind of dance. Different island, they have their own traditional dance. So every dance has its soul, and the dancer also. Like me, usually for I can dance. I can dance for every many kinds, not every, many kinds of dance. But I have my own soul. Like usually, I can dance for the female character, for middle of Java kind of that. But Miss Tiffany, maybe you can say hi. Miss Tiffany, expert in male character. Yeah, expert in male character. So today I will let you enjoy the performance from her, the expert one for the male character of Indonesian dance. Okay, I will show you about the wardrobe first. Miss, okay, you can read and also you can see at Miss Tiffany, she will show. The first one is Jamang Gelung. Miss Tiffany can show it, Jamang Gelung from the, okay, in front and from side. Okay, that's called Jamang Gelung. This function is like head or like crown, like that for the character. Also, the Jamang Gelung has many shapes. Depend on the character. And the second one, Miss Tiffany will show the mask. Okay, same like mine. Tiffany can show it, yeah. Closer maybe, yeah, that's the character. The mask is only used for this dance because different masks will represent different character. Will use in different dance. Maybe if some of you familiar with Grebek Jawa or maybe Bapang. Bapang is kind of mass dance also, has a different shape. For Bapang, the nose is longer, yeah, Miss Tiffany. You can share it, yeah, longer. But for Grebek Sabrang is shorter. Different story with Pinocchio. Okay. Okay. Next to kache. Okay, Miss Tiffany will show. Where is kache? Kache is like necklace. That one is kache. Like necklace. It's accessory of the character. Necklace. Then next to kato. Kato is Javanese language. In bahasa we call it celana. We cannot dance without short, right? It's not allowed. Okay. Kato is celana, and then after that you can use rape. Rape. There is two sides of rape, in front of Miss Tiffany and at the back. Miss Tiffany maybe can turn around, Miss Tiffany. Okay. So we use two. Yeah, great. After rape, we have pedangan. We use pedangan on the right side and left side. That left side, pedangan, and then right side. Okay, there is pedangan. It's called pedangan. All of rape, pedangan, we stick together to our stone mat like that using stagel, the black one. Stagel is long fabric. We call it like that, Miss Olivia. Long fabric like that. We just round and round, stick the rape and pedangan together, and then we put we put sabuk. That one.
The belt.
The belt. I'm so nervous, so I forgot what is sabuk in English. Okay, the belt. Thank you, Miss Ovi. The belt. After that, we have sampur. Sampur. Maybe some of you familiar with sampur because many kinds of Indonesian dance use sampur, especially from Java. On this dance, Grebek Sabrang, we use two kinds of sampur. The red one that Miss Tiffany will use to dance, and the yellow one. The yellow one is accessory and round into keris. Miss Tiffany, can you turn around and show the keris, the weapon? There's the accessory. Okay. We have keris also. There's the weapon, because the story is about war, so they have weapon. Next, okay, Miss Tiffany will show you the deker tangan. Maybe some of you use it for sport also. Right one and left one. They use two. Yeah, it looks similar with the sport one. And then after that, there is kelat bahu. Miss Tiffany put it on her arms. Two also, left and right, that called kelat bahu. Yes. Keris already, and the back part. Okay, wait. Before that, we have sounds, additional sounds, aside of music or the set of the music instrument. Miss Tiffany will show it. We have, I will show you, Miss Tiffany will use it. This one called gongseng. Gongseng. And it has sound. Okay, Miss Tiffany will show you. She will put there on the right leg, right feet. And Miss Tiffany, can you make it sound like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the sounds will play together with the rhythm of the music. And the last one, the part punggung, from the punggung there is like wing. Okay. So Miss Tiffany can fly in the story. The part it's really nice with special what do you call it, motif or design like that. Okay, Miss Tiffany, can you use it all together? The jamang gelung and also the mask. Okay. So many accessory that use, but the most important one is this mask. Wrong mask cannot dance because different mask, different character that we will tell, different story. Like that. Okay. Miss Tiffany is beautiful, but now she will look more beautiful. Just a moment.
If you have question, you can write on the table here, Q&A.
Okay. Side of that, you can see this is the full costume, full wardrobe and accessory of Tari Grebek Sabrang. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Tiffany. Can say bye for now. Okay, thank you. Okay, that is about the costume and accessory for the wardrobe. But next two, we will show you. It's okay, Miss Tiffany, just walk. She's afraid there is a sound. We have what kind of movement? Like that, Miss Ovi, motif gerak, what we call in English?
Yeah, movement.
Move like that only. Okay, movement. We separate it into three big part like that. We call it solah A, solah B, Indonesia ya, and solah C. Okay, maybe everyone can see the list of the movement. We will look it together. Please, someone can raise hand. Miss Ovi can choose one of the participant that please find out what kind of movement that repeat in so many times in this dance. I will read it also. For solah A, there is gedruk gawang. I will spell it clearly ya. Singget capeng, gejuk entran. Again, singget capeng, gurisa, junjung kiwo tanja, lembean pentang, lombo rangkep, singget capeng, getak panjeran or junjungan ketar, singget capeng, tumpang tali bacok and mancat terus labas, kencak gembira. Next to singget capeng, gelap, singget capeng again, gejekan ngelus ronce, jeluat, sirik, singget capeng, wiwil, lembean pentang, lombo rangkep, singget capeng, jegluk kiwo, jegluk tangan, sirik, singget muter, jumputan, pentang rangkep, and you can repeat it from number 8 to 20. Maybe someone can answer what is kind of movement that repeat in so many times for this dance. Maybe Miss Ovi can choose one of participant. Can answer.
I think Miss Tiffany's video is cannot be seen, Miss. Tadi Miss Tiffany
PowerPoint-nya di-share lagi, Ibu.
PowerPoint-nya di-share lagi.
Okay.
So,
just know Miss
This
Olin
one
mentioned
already.
name of movement in Grebek Sabrang dance. The name all are Javanese ya. me
Yeah, all are Japanese.
I don't know the meaning ya. Me myself. Ya, kamera satu tidak nyala. So we cannot see the movement of Miss Fanny.
Miss Fanny. Oh, Miss Fanny not move yet, Miss.
Ya, tadi Miss Olin jelasin gerakan-gerakan tadi tidak bisa
Oh no,
melihat.
I only read it, Miss. Only read it. Only read.
Oh, okay. Please share your
Just to inform. Yeah, just to inform how to spell in Javanese like that. Maybe all of you can also read it and find out what is a kind of movement that repeat many times for this dance. Maybe someone can find it.
Can you show your
Repeat
presentation?
it many times. This one already?
Not yet.
Cannot? Oh, not yet. Okay, wait. Okay. Already, Miss? Can you see it?
So those
Sudah,
are
Ibu.
the name of movement ya, Miss ya?
Yes.
Truk
the
gawang,
movement.
singget capeng, gejuk entran. So the name of movement, there are many repetition. So if you see
Yeah.
which one is always like repeat and repeat.
Singget Chapeng.
Ya, Ibu Liberty.
Singget Chapeng. Singget
Capeng.
Chapeng.
Ya, Pak Alex.
Yes.
How is the movement?
Great. Yeah, that one.
Singget capeng.
Okay, so already found the singlet chapel. Today we will try to learn the movement. Okay. So we will start to try Miss Ovi for this movement. Can we try now?
Are you ready to dance together? Singget capeng, capeng, cap,
Singlet chapel.
capeng.
Chapeng.
Chapel.
Chapeng.
Maybe
Okay,
you
I
can.
will move to another camera for the explanation. Wait. Okay. Wait a moment.
You can stop the
We'll
stream.
stop share first. Okay.
And see me also?
Miss Sophie, is it possible to make the spotlight for Miss Olin's screen? Jadi kita bisa lihat besar gitu.
Iya, Miss Olin sudah besar di sini. Speaker view.
Okay, I will ask. I have one more friend here. Miss Lola, can you please help me put the laptop there so I can see how big I am? No. I can see, is it already correct or not, my movement? Because I can see it. Okay, thank you, Miss Lola. Okay, so today we will learn one movement of this dance, Grebek Sabrang, already found by, by whom, Miss Ovi? The singer Chapel?
Miss
Who already
Paul,
found it?
Alex, many people answer.
Great. Thank you. So we will learn. You can try at your place. You can raise up first. You cannot see everyone dance. Okay. You have to open your feet wide. Really wide. Why? because this is man or male dance actually, but female or woman can still do it, but you have to make it as masculine. You can say it, Miss Ofi, as you can. So open wide your feet, your leg, and then bend it, not to front, but to left and right side. Just open wide and then bend your knees. Okay, and bend your knees. But this is the right one, the right side. You can put it a step ahead. A step ahead. Okay, I will. Okay, like that. Open wide, then right side, step ahead, and then bend it. Do it as masculine as you can. Okay, like that. Got the weight is here. What tumpuan in English, Miss Ofi? Tumpuan. So the weight is here. Your body weight is here.
The
Yeah.
thigh on your side.
The thigh. Okay, thank you very much. That's what the first one for the feet of the leg. Sorry. And then maybe you can try this. Everyone, show your hands like that. Can you show it, everyone? We will try. Okay. Okay, I can see everyone. Okay, thank you. Just put your middle finger like this, bend like this. Okay, and then put your thumb, mother finger. Push like this. Push. Do not open, but make it close. Can you do it? Make it close. So not like this, but like this. And there is any power here. There is power, there is a power. Okay, great. And do it like this. Okay, the left one, you can put here. Give any power in here. The right hand, right side, you put it here. Make it 90 degrees. Okay, and if you do it this, the power move from here to here. So the power is here. Okay, we will combine with the legs or the feet. Okay, open wide. Your weight, your body weight on the left side. You put your left hand here, and then you put your right hand here. Not here, because it's usually for male, female like this, but it is male. Can you see the difference between male and female dance, male and female gesture? So there is power. The power is here. So just stick like that. Okay, I will show you. Which one is the Singkat Capang? Can do it like this. Okay, and then you see, and then you cross, step. Okay, I will. That's called Singkat Capang. If someone there, if some of you try at home, you can start with this one. You can hold your hand. We will learn the step first. Okay? And then you step in front of you. And then you step back. Up, the left. Then you cross. And you back to first step. What is kuda-kuda in English? Maybe Miss Ofi can help me. What is kuda-kuda?
The horse move, Miss Aulia.
Ibu.
Galop.
Galok.
Sorry?
Tinta galok.
Stance.
Yeah, they know kuda, horse, yeah. Like horse style.
Stance. It's stance, Miss.
Galop.
No.
Stance.
I mean like
Yeah.
kung fu. They have kuda. What in English? I cannot find
Oh,
the correct word.
Stance. It's
Stance,
stance.
like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
Thank you very much. So, this is the first stance. You come in front of you, back there, and then up. Cross it. Get a step. Okay. How about the hand? Okay, maybe everyone can try for the hand. Just put finger like before. Great. And then put like this. This is the left, yeah. And this one is right. Okay. Okay, then you push like this. Stop. Can see it? Okay. So from here, okay, from here to here. Stop. Great. And then you put here, only straight for the right hand, and then for the left one, you put here. You can see. Cannot lower. You cannot do it lower because they're very strong. It's like giant or devil like that. So very strong. And then you cross it, tap. So not like this, da 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 da, because that one for angel, yeah. So the soldier is like tap. And then you raise your right hand, then put it again. I will do it. I will try to do it slower. Okay. Okay. This one. We'll start. And then step. Okay. And then you cross it, stop, raise your hand. Okay. There is for only Singkat Chapang. Okay. At the opening, we do it gejuk. Gejuk is like this. The gongseng, I will put it first. Sorry. It's gongseng, right? Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay. So we will stand like that. Okay. And then move only my right foot. We will make sound together with the rhythm of the music. Okay, maybe I can show you today this two of movement that has many repetitions for this dance. Maybe Miss Olfi, some of you have any question or something that we can share more? Please, Miss Olfi.
okay, thank you, Miss Olin, for your presentation, for the awesome presentation, and also the demonstration. Now, the time for question and answer. Maybe anyone you have question, one or two question about the history of maybe about the movement. Yeah, please. You can directly ask, yeah.
Hello, hello, Mbak Opi.
Halo,
He
Ruci.
likes to ask what? Yeah. What's your name? Nama Anda?
Siapa?
Udrik. Dia bertanya, why is the mask scary?
Ah, ya, silakan Miss Olin, please answer. Why it's scary?
Yeah, he asks, why is the mask scary?
Because I did this.
Thank you. Sorry, what's your name? What's your name?
Udrik.
UDRIC. You pronounce it Udrik. That's
Audrey. Okay. Audrey, you are really nice and great boy.
Yeah.
I has one, but I has daughter.
Yeah.
You are really great. You are really nice. Okay, I will explain you. Okay. How old are you now?
6.
6 tahun.
Oh, 6. Same with my daughter. Great boy. Okay, I will show you once again. Okay, this is the mask for Grebek Sabrang. Okay, Audrey. Actually, Malang, our hometown in East Java, has many kind of masks, many kind of character. From the nice one, the protagonist character, the antagonist. For today, we will learn about the antagonist one, and the what do you call it, comedy character we also have, and we also have princess here. Maybe Miss Ophie or someone can share email or something. I will share picture of the many kind of masks from Malang. I will share it later. I have it, but for now I cannot share it. But later I will explain you. But why today the mask is so scary? Because the mask will represent the bad character. Yeah. So the mask has like red skin, bird, big teeth, round eyes, like that. But different character has different shape also, and the color also, like that. Great. Thank you, Miss
Terima
Ovi.
kasih.
It's the anime.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Okay, thank you, Audric. The next question, maybe one more question, please. You have question? No? I can see.
Question, Mbak Ovi.
Oh, Zaster. Yeah, silakan.
When do we usually see this kind of performance, or what occasions do we usually see the Grebek Sabrang?
Ya, di mana Miss biasanya tarian ini bisa kami tonton dan dalam acara apa? Your audio.
Okay, Miss Tiffany. Okay, Miss Tiffany, can you unmute also? Okay, so in Malang we have regular perform at one of what we call Sanggar also dance club. Miss Tiffany will answer in Indonesia, then I will explain. Miss Tiffany, when it usually present.
Hello, the present when Grebek Suro. The name is Grebek Suro. In that one Muharram in Muslim.
Okay.
Like that.
So they have a special occasion. They have special occasion on Muharram, but usually for culture performer like that, they perform every month also on special schedule. The name of the dance class, Miss Fanny, can you explain, Pak Handoyo, what the name of the sanggar?
The sanggar is Sanggar Asmoro Bangun Kedung Monggo.
Okay, that's the name of the sanggar or dance club that present it regularly, like that. Maybe that we can share, Miss Ovi.
Okay, yeah, Jasdar. So we have in the Islamic year we have one Muharram. So there is a festival, big festival, especially in East Java, yeah. So one of the performance is this dance, Grebek Sabrang. And also because Malang is famous of mass dance, so here if you want to watch that kind of dance, so they have the studio, traditional dance studio. You can learn how to make mask, how to dance with mask and everything, and coloring the mask. So please come to Malang, my hometown, our hometown, ya Miss Olin, Miss Tiffany.
Yeah, correct.
Oke, terima kasih.
I think two question enough. And the next program we will see.
Ada pertanyaan? Bu
Oke,
Oki,
Bu.
ini katanya ada yang mau nanya ini dari Miss Christina Bagaforo.
Yeah. Does this also come with a song narration? Or in general, do all mask dances have narration being sung? Because I happen to watch a few performances. I'm just not sure if they are mask dances. So I'm just curious if all mask dances have narration being chanted or sung.
Jadi ada narasinya tidak ketika
Ada
menari
ceritanya
itu?
enggak, Miss?
Cerita atau narasi yang disampaikan seperti itu.
I think yeah.
Thank you. Like I said before, so the mass performance actually is a long, complete perform. We can enjoy the performance in a complete performance, but some they only dance for only one part, like this. Grebek Sabrang is only a part for a very complete performance of the mass dance. But sometimes people only like beskalan. Usually if you come to Malang and there is a celebration or festival, people also can dance like beskalan, only beskalan without another part of this mass performance for opening ceremony, for open the festival. And also you can perform like Grebek Sabrang sometimes for special or for occasion that may be sweet with the story. It also can be opening dance also. So it's depend. You can enjoy it complete fully also with the narration about the mass performance, but sometimes people only dance apart. Maybe people dance only Beskawan or only Grebek Jawa or only Grebek Sabrang. Like that.
Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih Miss Olin, thank you Christina. Another question, Miss. Umur berapa yang bisa menari tarian itu?
Okay. To learn dance, actually, to learn dance, you can do it. For me, any age like that. But maybe for kids and teens, adult, will get like kematangan gerak gimana, Miss? The perfectly of the movement is different.
Complexity of the movement, yeah. I think easier for the kids. Yeah.
So for kids that have talent, dance talent especially, maybe they will do the movement perfectly. But for like general kids that learn, it can be. You can learn it, but maybe different shape that will shown by every children. But I think the age that can learn it and can get the perfect movement, maybe around like primary 5 or 6 or teenager. So around first grade of, what do you call it, means SMP, high school, like that. So primary 6, primary 5 can do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
5th grade or
But
6th
for
grade.
kid is open also.
Ya, terima kasih Bu.
Okay, maybe last question ya, Miss ya. Is there any similarities with Topeng Kelana? So I heard Topeng Kelana it is from Cirebon, and the dance is softer, yeah, because it shows about the beauty. The story is about to show the beauty of princess in the kingdom. So it is different because Grebek Sabrang it is more antagonis part, and for Topeng Kelana it's to show the beauty of the princess, but they use mask, and of course different type of mask, yeah. Okay, I think that's all for the question and answer session, and without further ado, let's watch together the full performance from Miss Tiffany, the dancer, for Tari Grebek Sabrang. Ya, silakan Miss.
Okay, Miss Tiffany, sorry. Before perform, Miss Tiffany will introduce herself to all of you. So you can also, not only me, but you can also know about Miss Tiffany. Please, Miss Tiffany.
Thank you, Miss Olin. Hello.
Hello.
Tiffany Valentina. You can call me Fanny. I am 21 years old last February. I learn in University of Malang or Universitas Negeri Malang. This is in Java. I learn in Faculty for Dance and Music major. Besides that, I'm a dance assistant at Sanggar Tari Sriwedari since 2018. Terima kasih.
Okay, so we will wait. Miss Tiffany will prepare. She will prepare first. So again, I will explain you why Miss Olin only show to us one movement. Why the full or complete dance by Miss Tiffany? Again, so same with music. Dance has genre also, and the dancer has genre also. Like me, I'm special dance for the female or woman character. So it's sweet like for Malang, like Beskalan, or another dance from middle of Java. But for mass dance, for the male or man character, Miss Tiffany expert for this. You can see the difference from my movement to Miss Tiffany that will show. You can enjoy that. Yeah, Miss Tiffany can show the strong character than me. So I choose Miss Tiffany to perform in front of you. So you can get the feel, you can get all the gesture, you can see all. So this kind of dance is suit for character of dancer like this. Miss Tiffany still prepare. We will wait. Maybe Mr. Rashid will prepare also for the music.
Iya, Bu. Iya, Bu.
Yeah. Thank you. Miss Tiffany will prepare first. Everyone, please enjoy Miss Tiffany with Tari Grebek Sabrang.
Wonderful performance. Terima kasih Miss Fanny. Itu tadi tarian Grebek Sabrang dari Kota Malang. Okay, thank you so much. So I will give the event back to the MC, Miss Aulia.
Terima kasih Ibu Ovi. Terima kasih Miss Olin dan Mbak Tiffany. That was really awesome performance. Yeah. Yeah, we come to the closing part. I would like to give my greatest thanks to Ibu Lily for the support that today we can have this dance class. Well, and to Miss Olin and Miss Tiffany for giving us new information, giving us overview about traditional dance, specifically from Malang. And for Ibu Opi for the good idea for creating this class and make it happen even via online. Thank you very much. Also, for all the participants, I do appreciate your time to attend this cultural class. Hope that this is not the end of the this kind of event. Hope that next time we still have this event so that we can explore more about culture from Indonesia and also Philippines. Yeah. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your coming. And yeah, from Ibu Opi, the certificate will be given for all the participants attending this culture class. Thank you and see you next time.
Excuse me,
Iya,
Miss
Ibu.
Aulia.
Iya, Ibu.
Better you give information about tryout UPBI and about the lomba-lomba kita.
Oh, okay. So the additional information, it's about UKBI. So if you are interested taking the UKBI test, it will be given for free from the embassy, from Ibu Lili. It will be on September the 22nd, Ibu. Benar ya, Ibu? 22
Yeah,
September. Ya.
22nd.
Yeah, the September the 22nd, there will be UKBI test. So this is like TOEFL, but in Bahasa Indonesia. If you want to try how it is tes kemahiran or uji kemahiran Bahasa Indonesia, you may join, yeah, for free. And the other information is about the competition held by Badan Bahasa, Center of Language in Indonesia. I think that every teacher have already given you the information about this, sharing in the group that there are so many competitions you can attend, you can join, singing and then writing stories, speech, and so on. The due date is in October, if I'm not mistaken.
For
Begitu.
October?
Oh, October the 4th is this the last or the due date to register to one of the competition. You may also join more than one competition.
And the competition is online, so you upload it to BIPA Kemdikbud, the website of the Center of Language in Indonesia. There are 7 competition, singing and then telling story and then berdeklamasi. Yeah, many things. The teacher will explain it more in the classes.
Yeah. And then more information, if you are take UKBI, not try out like 22nd of September, you must paying is 500 peso. But for 22nd September is free. That is a tryout. What the valuable of UKBI? UKBI is the meaning is test for competency Indonesian language. If you want to working in Indonesia, you must have a certificate you are passing from the UKBI, from tes kemampuan bahasa tersebut. Because of that, that is very important. And then for 22nd September is free because that is only tryout. And then they want to know how many students from Philippines is interested to attending that test, the competency test for Indonesian language. Please to attend that UKBI, and then from right now you can register to all your teacher ya, Ibu Opi, Ibu Aulia, and Pak Fandi. Because I want to send all of the name to Indonesia, to Institution Indonesian Language in Jakarta. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ibu Lili. Those are the additional information regarding some programs held by Indonesian Embassy. Begitu. Once again, thank you. See you next time in a similar occasion. Selamat siang semuanya. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Selamat.
Terima kasih. Selamat
Terima
sama.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Selamat banyak.
Terima kasih banyak.
Selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Terima kasih, Araon Kuimora. One of the request, Libertine, Miss.
Iya, Ibu.
Halo,
Ibu Lili. Terima kasih, Ibu.
Yeah. One of the requests, they need a presentation of making food, Indonesian food. Is it true?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, Bu.
just reading in there. Maybe
Yeah.
later I'm teaching making rendang.
Halo Bu.
Halo Ron.
Halo Ibu.
Oh yeah. Happy birthday, Miss Libertine.
Oh, terima kasih, Bu. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Happy birthday.
Terima kasih.
Okay.
Okay,
And then it's better you are give your name because we give you a certificate to activity today.
Iya, makasih. Terima kasih.
Halo Sabrina. Sabrina, you are here now or still in Padang?
Masih di Padang, Bu.
Oh, masih di Padang.
Minggu
Kapan
depan saya pulang.
Oh, minggu depan. Oh,
Iya.
Betul. Wah, sudah pintar bahasa Padang nih.
Sakete, Bu.
Sakete. Di Padang itu pengertian sakete itu ada 2 macam. Pertama
Apa,
sakete
Bu?
itu sedikit. Iya, pertama sakete itu sedikit. Ada yang kedua sakete itu ya ketiak.
Iya.
Wah, thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
When we are just we make a schedule. When you have a time, I'm teaching making rendang.
Yay.
Because Ibu Sandra
Okay.
from Padang, she is already can making rendang ya, Sabrina. You can making rendang right now. You can making rendang right now.
With sajiku.
With sajiku, yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah,
Because
just
we
add
have 18
santan
ingredients.
ya, Bu.
Yeah, we
Apa,
have
Bu?
18 ingredients. We rendang.
Iya, banyak.
18
Too long,
ingredients.
like 4 hours.
And easy, just only put sasa.
Yeah.
Bumbu jadi. Okay, thank you
Yeah,
all. I have another webinar today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih.
Don't forget thank Upi and attending the competition.
Yeah, join the competition.
Competition for all of the world. Okay.
Thank you.
Stay healthy. Don't forget using mask.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Kepak iramanya di dada, diam menabur
Lupa foto tadi ya.
Coba tadi udah foto-fotonya tapi gara-gara nggak 1, 2, 3.
Oh ya udah di screenshot ya. Oke. Lupa aku gambar.
Iya nggak apa-apa.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Mbak Aulia.
Thank you very much ya. Terima kasih Miss Alin, Miss Tiffany, thank you.
bertanya-tanya lah kau